As probably many of you knows that in the springtime we announced the Elisa IoT Innovation Challenge, and now we're in a stage that we will announce the 3 finalists today. So there will be exciting presentations. But just to start what Elisa is doing, we have been speaking today about the things, and things are nice. We need to have connectivity and so forth. But really, when we are speaking about Internet of Things, the things are nothing if there are no applications. So in the end, it's all about the applications. How do you utilize the things? What do you do with the things? How do you control machines with the things and so forth? And around that, we build a infrastructure as a service. So everything is in place in our data centers. It's ready-made. There's no investments for the customers or partners to start to develop services, the IoT services. We can connect any data source, any device, any system, ERPs, CRMs, any public websites, and collect the data in a centralized Cassandra database. We can have analytics extensions through example data stacks, and more important or most important is that the platform itself has a business logic engine, so you can create whatever type of if-then rules directly on the platform and utilizing the real-time data. And everything is basically code program, which is really that from idea to product in 6 weeks. And everyone has been building these in 6 weeks. All right, should we start then? First one. Just a comment. Can we have the applauses after after when all has presented, so we save some time, if that would be okay?
Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Tomi Kalmäki and I am from Cybercom Group. Our solution is a new way to monitor temperature and humidity. The solution is powered by Elisa IoT platform, and the project has been sponsored by Cybercom Group. We have been piloting the system for the recent weeks. Here you see the system monitoring the crawl space of a building. The system involves online monitoring, and the application areas include new home construction. In new homes, for the first 1 or 2 years, you want to ensure that there's proper insulation and ventilation in place. Also, for all the buildings, you want to check the condition of the structures as well as help in renovations. Also, you can monitor the temperature and humidity of fields and feedstocks. Our main focus is on building structures. We want to prevent problems caused by moisture or mold. Our business model involves a monthly fee that covers the sensors as well as the online service. Currently, we are looking for new ideas. So if you have some new application area, please come to talk to us. And also we are looking for strategic partners who want to use our service as well as help in installation and help in sales. So thank you very much. You're welcome to have a chat later at Elisa's stand. Thank you.
Thank you. Next one. You're on.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jere Hirvonen, and we are Intel's Informatica. Don't we all want to feel safe at our homes? I do, and we also think so. So our solution wants to ensure the elderly people living alone to have a safe life as a part of our society. Our system can be installed to all kinds of houses. The system is based on detecting activities, which then learns and then performs alarms depending if there's something happening out of order. Our sensors track measurements such as movement, room temperature, or carbon dioxide levels, or locational tracking when the person leaves the room or the house. So, why us? Our systems are super easy to install, and they're all the functions are integrated into one system. And we want to ensure that our product is available to as many as possible with the growing amount of elderly all the time. The sensors gather information which is then processed in Elisa IoT, which then gives us real-time information through our mobile devices. With already partnerships with Hoivapalvelu Vaakokolta and Hoivaneuvonta, we're looking to expand with even more deals and more equipment, more Elisa IoT compatible devices, and other industrial solutions. This was Ndbs Informatica, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ari Järvinen from company Pilkman, and I show some slides about our project. First of all, we are mainly working with automation in different kind of places, and we have many different kind of equipments which are connected to systems, and we have quite intelligent products in field, and we plan to do something a new way. We use some well-known products in our system, for example Evon, and some software thing, in this case Wonderware softwares. And this is our pilot project. We have steam boiler system. It is working in real bravery. And we have a PLC which is running this steam boiler. And we are collecting data and visualization via this Talk to M and Elisa Thing works. We have database and all kind of this in this whole system. Summary. In this Wonderware software, we have this ThingWorks object and gateways, and all these things are made for customers implementing this data collection and collecting and visualization very easy. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, hi, my name is Tommi Kankainen, and I'm going to tell you about Foller. Foller is a group of 3 companies, Link Design, Development, Streamer, and Trailer. And we are tackling a huge problem, which is food waste. Nobody wants to see this, right? It's a big problem. Only in Finland, the value of wasted food annually is 500 million euros. And in the world scale, right, does it work? Yeah. But on the world scale, of course, it's much bigger. Thousands of millions of euros in kilos. 30% of all the food in the world is wasted, which is insane. So, Foller is a platform for automated, real-time marketing and pricing of expiring food, which increases the turnover in the stores and saves money and food at home. And this is how it works. We have built a pilot system on top of Elisa IoT platform, the way that we have RFID-based sensors that are able to detect the freshness level of food real time. We read this information through different types of readers, deliver the piece of information to the system, and start to automatically and dynamically change the price of the piece of food, and communicate that information to the end customer by using social media, for example, Twitter in this case. We have built management interfacing on top of ThinkWorks for business owners, and on the home side we are able to use, for example, Twitter or applications. The next steps are that we are going to start a company, find funding for that, build business partnerships, and start the next round of validation. Thank you.
Thank you.
From Process Genius. Imagine about process plant, power plant, pulp mill, chemical factory, or assembly line of machine. Yeah, between the person in charge, manager, maintenance guy, or engineer, and the factory and plant, there is tens of softwares. In the typical pulp factory, it's about 37 softwares, thousands of connected devices, and plus 40 user interfaces. One engineer loses easily 4 hours per week in the efficient working time. What we do, we make a 3D user interface of the factory or the process itself with the newest technologies. And we embed, in this case, for example, a stream from 7 different softwares that are running and used to run and control the plant. So we put the persons back in the charge, and that's why we are the user interface of industrial internet.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Jukka Nevavuo. I am from Production Software. We are producing softwares for the industrial usage on the factory level. Here you can see our area. It's between the upper levels like CAD/CAM systems and the CRM and things like that. And on the other hand, there is a factory level where is the machines and the people. And we are connecting these two together by our software. Software family which we have is in few sections, controlling the productivity, quality, maintenance, and inventory. So we are optimizing the production flow and also the efficiency. For this contents, we came in with an idea that we are taking the package from the factory door and we immediately put it in our system and inform it for the other systems so that there is no lack of time to know when the products have arrived. That's kind of a big problem in the companies nowadays because the series of the production lengths are so small, and this helps many companies fulfill the delivery times. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now we can make big applauses. Cool stuff. And I think we achieved the target what we wanted to have. That we can really show that there's not only one IoT solution. There's not one segment to utilize it. You can, it's an endless possibility to create different type of IoT solutions. You just need to have right tools and right attitude, and you can create almost everything. All right, now it's the hard time. We had a jury inside Elisa, and difficult to select the 3 finalists, but like in Idols or Voice of Finland, you have to make the decisions who goes to the next step. And the 3 finalists are, firstly, Process Genius. And the biggest kind of reason for choosing Process Genius is that we believe that there's a huge business potential. So let's see what happens in the next coming weeks. Congratulations. And then thirdly, Ndbs Informatica also is one of the finalists. And the main reason is really that we believe, and as you saw the presentation we have in Finland and in basically whole Western Europe, a challenge that there are more and more retired people coming on in every country, and retired people, they want to live in homes. So we need to have some technologies to help them to manage living at home. So that's really the reason. And then thirdly, the group of Link Design, Stream and Trello. The reasons are that it's the most ambitious task or challenge what you guys have been taking, and that's a brave move. And I think you said that you have issued a patent application as well, and also you're solving a global problem or issues in the food base. So this is what we have decided, and we will see in the slush who is the winner. And from Elisa's side, good luck to you all. Can you all come then? And from our side also to the rest of the competitors, as always, as in the song contest as well, the producers are saying that we want to cooperate with you in the future, so that's what we want to do. So this is one competition, but we want to work together with all of you, so absolutely, to build up great solutions to our customers. All right, thank you.